Is the ketogenic diet sustainable? So research shows that, yeah, it definitely can be. So some studies have demonstrated individuals consuming a ketogenic diet, even strict ketogenic diets, on the scale of years. And then anecdotally and socially, we know of people that have spent, years to decades of their life on ketogenic diets. So it definitely can be sustainable, and kind of getting into a mindset of thinking long-term about making this type of way of eating, if it's something that you enjoy and is working well for you, then, prioritizing a way to make it sustainable is good too. So finding these new recipes and things to keep it interesting and kind of setting yourself up for success is a really great way to do that. So some people do struggle with compliance on a ketogenic diet, especially when they're trying to follow a very strict ketogenic diet, which is sometimes required for certain people. Those people are typically under a medical, protocol, and so they're working with their physicians on that. But so a strict ketogenic diet definitely can be difficult for a lot of people. But also, many people really enjoy the ketogenic way of eating and don't find it to be unsustainable at all. So it just depends on the individual.